Hey there! If you enjoy reading more than watching a lengthy video like this, I've got you covered. I've summarized the content of this video on my website. Check out the article link provided below in the comments and description. Just click on it and start reading at your convenience. Welcome to Potassium Power, your go-to channel for all things related to incorporating potassium-rich foods into your diet for lowering blood pressure and maintaining electrolyte balance. I'm Petter, and I'm excited to share valuable information and practical tips that can transform your health. Are you looking for natural ways to manage your blood pressure and improve your overall well-being? Well, you're in the right place. In this channel, we'll explore the incredible benefits of potassium and how it plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure and maintaining electrolyte balance in our bodies. Each week, we'll dive into a variety of topics, including the importance of potassium, recommended daily intake, and the top potassium-rich foods you can easily incorporate into your meals. We'll also explore the renowned DASH diet, a powerful eating plan designed specifically for blood pressure control. But it doesn't stop there. I'll guide you through practical strategies, delicious recipes, and even share success stories from individuals who have experienced the positive impact of potassium-rich diets on their health. Remember, your health is in your hands, and small changes can make a big difference. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of potassium and take control of your blood pressure and electrolyte balance, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community here at Potassium Power. Together, let's embark on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos packed with actionable tips and inspiration. Until then, remember that potassium is the key to a balanced and healthier you. I'll see you in the next video. 1. Importance of potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining the overall health of our bodies. It is involved in various important functions that help keep our bodies functioning properly. One of the key roles of potassium is regulating blood pressure. It works in opposition to sodium, which can increase blood pressure. By consuming foods rich in potassium, we can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Potassium is also an electrolyte, along with other minerals like sodium, chloride, calcium, and magnesium. These electrolytes are responsible for conducting electrical impulses in our bodies, which are necessary for nerve and muscle functions. Potassium helps maintain the balance of these electrolytes, ensuring our nerves and muscles work properly, including the vital muscle of the heart. Maintaining the right balance of fluids in our bodies is another important function of potassium. It helps regulate the balance of fluids within and outside our cells, ensuring that our cells are properly hydrated and functioning optimally. Additionally, potassium is involved in kidney function and urine production. It helps maintain the balance between fluids and electrolytes in our bodies, supporting the removal of waste and maintaining healthy kidney function. While some research suggests that a high potassium diet may have benefits for bone health, more studies are needed to establish a clear connection. To ensure adequate potassium intake, it is recommended to consume a variety of potassium-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and legumes. However, it is always important to maintain a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes or starting any supplementation. In conclusion, potassium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in various bodily functions. It is important to ensure an adequate intake of potassium to support overall health and well-being. 2. Recommended daily intake. The recommended daily intake of potassium can vary depending on factors like age, sex, and overall health. For most adults, the general guideline is to aim for around 2,500 to 3,000 milligrams mg of potassium per day. If you're a teenager or child, you may need a bit less potassium than adults. It's a good idea to check with a doctor to find out the right amount for you. Pregnant and breastfeeding women typically have higher nutritional needs, including potassium. So, during these stages, the recommended daily intake may be higher than the usual guideline. It's important to remember that while potassium is important, too much of it can be harmful, especially for people with certain health conditions. If you have kidney problems or take certain medications, you may need to limit your potassium intake. It's always a good idea to talk to a healthcare professional to determine the right amount for you. To get enough potassium, it's helpful to include potassium-rich foods in your diet. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and dairy products are good sources of potassium. Eating a balanced diet with a variety of these foods can help you meet your potassium needs. Remember, if you have any concerns about your potassium intake or specific health conditions, it's best to seek guidance from a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique needs. 3. Potassium-rich foods. There are many foods that are rich in potassium, which is a good thing because potassium is an important mineral for our bodies. Here are some foods that are great sources of potassium. Bananas. They are easy to eat and a popular choice for potassium. You can enjoy them as a snack or add them to smoothies. Oranges. Besides being rich in vitamin C, oranges also provide a good amount of potassium. They make for a refreshing snack or juice. Avocados. Avocados are not only tasty but also a great source of healthy fats and potassium. You can use them in salads, sandwiches, or make delicious guacamole. Sweet potatoes. These are not only delicious but also packed with potassium and other nutrients. You can bake or roast them for a tasty side dish. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is rich in potassium. You can use it in salads, soups, or sauté it as a side dish. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are versatile and contain a good amount of potassium. They can be used in salads, sauces, or enjoyed fresh. Yogurt. Yogurt is a creamy and nutritious food that also provides potassium. You can enjoy plain or Greek yogurt as a snack or add it to smoothies. Salmon. Salmon is a tasty fish that is not only a good source of omega-3 fatty acids but also contains potassium. It can be grilled, baked, or pan-seared for a delicious meal. Beans. Beans, like kidney beans, black beans, and lentils, are high in fiber, protein, and potassium. You can add them to soups, stews, or enjoy them as a side dish. Nuts. Nuts such as almonds, pistachios, and cashews are not only crunchy and delicious but also provide potassium. They make for a convenient and healthy snack option. Including these potassium-rich foods in your meals and snacks can help you maintain a good level of potassium in your body. Remember to enjoy them as part of a balanced diet for overall health and well-being. 4. DASH diet. The DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, is a special eating plan designed to help lower blood pressure. It focuses on consuming foods that are rich in potassium, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products. By following the DASH diet, you can promote a balanced intake of nutrients, including potassium, which can help keep your blood pressure under control. Here are the key points about the DASH diet. Fruits and vegetables. The DASH diet encourages eating plenty of fruits and vegetables. These foods are not only delicious but also high in potassium, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Whole grains. It's important to choose whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and whole grain cereals. These foods provide fiber and other essential nutrients while being low in sodium and unhealthy fats. Lean proteins. The DASH diet recommends including lean protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, and legumes in your meals. These foods are lower in saturated fat compared to fatty meats. Low-fat dairy products. Choosing low-fat dairy products such as skim milk, low-fat yogurt, and reduced-fat cheese is part of the DASH diet. These foods are good sources of calcium and potassium while being lower in saturated fat. Limiting sodium. The DASH diet suggests reducing your sodium intake to help control blood pressure. This means avoiding high-sodium foods like processed foods, fast food, and salty snacks. By following the DASH diet, you can enjoy a wide variety of nutritious foods while keeping your blood pressure in check. It's important to note that individual needs may vary, so it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any major changes to your diet. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific situation. Remember, the DASH diet is not only beneficial for those with high blood pressure but also promotes overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching today's video on potassium power. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. And if you have any specific topics or questions you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know. Remember, taking care of your health is an ongoing journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Together, let's harness the power of potassium for a healthier, happier life. Until next time, stay well and keep embracing the power of potassium. This is Your Name from Potassium Power, signing off.